Well, welcome friends to Simply Cooking with Coach Sarah. I'm excited to share with you guys today the kale strawberry salad. You can find this recipe on the Trim Healthy Mama website, and I will link all the things for you guys in the description. So thank you guys so much for your kind words of encouragement. I am so excited that you guys got to meet my dad yesterday and hear his story. And if you didn't get a chance to listen to him on the potty, I will go ahead and link that in the description for you guys as well. So I thought, not only should we make the kale salad, but I wanted to show you how to make a quick lunch. I have to make quick lunches all the time because I'm also a busy mom. And so I wanted to show you like some options that I do. And I thought, hey, let's just make some tilapia for lunch to go with it, because the next question you should ask after we make this is, where's your protein? What protein are you gonna have with it? So then we already know that this is going to be an S because it has olive oil in it. So right away, you can choose any meat choice of you can do hamburger, you can do fish, you can do whatever you want. You could do salmon. So I thought, just to get started, I'm gonna literally throw this in the microwave. I use my Epicure steamer all the time. It is super, super helpful for me. It's fast, it's quick. If you're looking for drive-through Sue, this is the answer. I use it almost every day. So I have some tilapia that I got from Costco, and I forgot scissors. Let me grab some. And good morning, friends. If you're joining me, say hello. I think Facebook has been delayed. Eventually it will catch up and show me your comments, but it's a little bit slow. So I'm just gonna, this is frozen. I literally pulled this out frozen. Because guess what happens? How many times do you guys get home from a busy day, like yesterday? Oh my goodness, yesterday was crazy. I had to run my daughter to, she has ballet rehearsal like every day this week for her performance on Friday and Saturday. And so it's like a half hour to get to where they're rehearsing, a half hour back. It was like 4 hours there. I mean, that's 5 hours. Like, so where are you gonna fit in cooking? What are you gonna eat? So there's a lot of leftovers happening, meals like this happening, because there's just no time. So this is the answer, friends. All right, so I'm gonna throw this in just like this. If you thaw it first, then you could put some mayonnaise on it and some nutritional yeast. I love to do that with just some salt and pepper, but it's completely frozen, so we're just gonna throw it in for a couple minutes. And then we'll check it. So here we go. I'm gonna do 3 minutes. It's been a while. I do a lot of guessing, you guys, and it totally works. So when in doubt, you just try it. You just try it and throw it in. So let me rinse my hands. I hope you guys are having an awesome Thursday. I have a whole, do you guys see my towel drawer? I don't know if you can even see this. This is a giant drawer of towels, because I learned a long time ago that my kids love to waste paper towels, and I would have to take up stock in like Bounty or something. So now we just use towels. So helpful. I just use them all the time. Just wash them. Done. Okay, you guys ready? We're gonna make the kale salad. If you got all the stuff, did I link it for you guys? I don't know if I linked it for you in that event, but I will link it for you guys later. All you're gonna need is a big bowl, and then I buy this giant bag of already shredded kale. So if you wanna chop up kale, more power to you. Lettuce is, it's my one thing. I do not like to chop lettuce. So I do not like to chop kale either. So this comes in handy. This is a 10-ounce bag, and I feel like that one works perfect. So I'm gonna put that in. I don't have to do anything special. And look, it already looks so pretty. Okay, I know some of you were like skeptics about, wow, I don't like kale. I don't know about this. I don't think I could do it. If you try kale, especially for the first time, you gotta try it this way, because this is delicious. And I kid you not, my kids eat this, my mom eats this, you guys, and that's huge. That's huge. That is saying a lot. I know you guys don't know my mom, but I'm telling you, it's huge. It's a big deal. If I get my mom eating kale, this is a win. This is a win for everyone. So then all we have to do is we are gonna do olive oil. So, I think I'm like really cooking this thing. I gotta check it. I heard it pop. I'm like, whoa. Okay, let's check it. It's not done, but you know what I'm gonna do? It's getting there. Okay. It's definitely getting there. It's almost done. Just gotta cook it. So, this is what we're gonna do. I'll show you guys. Now, you can just put straight nutritional yeast. This is dairy-free. Good morning, Kate. Good morning, Stacy. Good morning, Brittany. Okay. I'm just gonna take a little bit of mayo. You can do avocado mayo, regular mayo. You could do no mayo at all and just put nutritional yeast on it. But I'm making it very messy right now. Ooh, yes, this is cooking. I'm gonna only have to cook this for like 2 more minutes. I think so. Okay. Maybe don't do it exactly like that. That was messy. That was very messy. And I'd lost my towel. Showing you guys my towels and I already lost it. Okay, now all I do is put on some nutritional yeast. I have a full dinner. Oh, my drawer won't shut. Don't you love when that happens? There was a straw in the way. Okay, this happens to me all the time. It's so normal. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle this on. And then, you know what? I'm gonna do it. Okay, done. So, nutritional yeast. And if you guys want, you can do, I'm gonna just do regular salt, because why not? That's it, done. You could have pepper too, you could add whatever you want. I'm gonna just throw this back in for a couple minutes. I'm gonna do 2 minutes. So this whole thing, we'll see. I think it'll be done. We're gonna check it, and then it'll be 5 minutes for tilapia. So no reason to not have a healthy protein to go with your lunch. No excuses. Back to our salad. Here we go. This is real life, right? Like, oh, distraction. So this is the olive oil I get, you guys, from Costco. Maybe you guys know, but the organic one, which, I mean, we always love organic, right, is cheaper than the regular one. That makes 0 sense in my mind. I have no idea, but just a tip, go compare the price per ounce next time you go and just tell me if I'm not crazy, because I'm like, what in the world? So we're just gonna put that on top. Guys, I'm gonna show you all, I'm gonna show you my best tricks on this, because it's that easy. Now, do you wanna say hi to my friends? You need a towel? See, they know. My kids know. Here he goes. He's got a mess of some sort. You should be afraid.
Haven.
Oh, Haven made a mess? She made a mess? Okay. So I'm going to put Gentle Sweet. Is that what I want to do next? Yes, I do. I just don't want to forget anything. I'm not going to forget the salt today. I'm not going to do it. So after we put the Gentle Sweet, if you guys have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And if I don't see them right now, I will get to them after. All right. Then this is the lemon juice I am going to use. I get this one at Costco also. It is really good. It's like imported from Italy, so it just sounds fancy. Would you like some imported from, I feel like I should have Italian. Not doing it right now. I don't feel like I'll be Italian. I think I'm gonna be like English or British or something. Yep. I don't know. Okay, so is that it? I feel like, yes, that's so easy, you guys. Now, here's my biggest tip. Are you ready? I hope you're ready. I am almost ready. Okay, I am going to toss this. This is the thing. You want to toss this salad really well so that all the olive oil covers like every piece of kale and the sweetener. You guys, have you ever thought about this? Tell me if you've thought about this in the comments. But some people are like, that's so weird that you put sweetener on your salad. That's so weird that you straight up add Gentle Sweet. I do this all the time. To my salads especially, I just put sweetener on top and balsamic, you guys. It really is that simple. Or apple cider vinegar and Gentle Sweet. Try it. Just try it. Trust me. But think about this. Regular salads, if you don't eat healthy, and you get a bottle of Catalina, let's use that one for example, it is just full of like high fructose corn syrup and sugar. So it's not weird to just put Gentle Sweet on top of your salad because you're essentially doing it with regular dressing. So, okay, now, where is my magic ingredient? I already lost it. Goodness, here it is. It was gonna bite me. Okay, you guys, like when you look at the recipe, it has like seeds and salt and da-da-da. Forget that. Get this. Like, go get this one from Trader Joe's. It's the best. It's the best. And the salt in here too is sea salt. So there's some other ones out there that are regular salt. Try to avoid those. Try to get one that says sea salt. This is the best. I'm telling you, this is the best. So this, you just shake, you just have fun shaking this on. I just eyeball it. And then I'm like, okay. If you're not sure on the eyeball part, start small. And then you can always add more to your own. Okay? Start small. And I feel like I'm feeling it in, do you know that feeling? You know when you get the mom feeling like something's wrong? Or, oh, you know what I'm talking about? I feel that with my food. And I'm telling you, this was a learned skill. A learned skill that is just, I've been learning it. And so you can learn it. If I can learn this, I want to tell you, you can learn this. So anyways, I was feeling that it needed just that little bit more. That's what I was feeling. So, ta-da. Now, last thing we're gonna add, strawberries. So chop up some strawberries and then put them in. Now, is that not beautiful? Give it a good toss. Now, sometimes the strawberries like to hide on the bottom. I've had that happen. So you might want to save some for, to put on the top to make it pretty. That's it. That's it, you guys. This is a winner. This is a crowd pleaser. You're going to bring this to your friend's house for dinner. Look, boom, bada bing. You got salad. It's delicious. Your friends are going to be like, oh, give me the recipe. And you're going to be like, it's sugar-free. And they're going to be like, how? It's so sweet and delicious. And you're going to be like, it's magic. Right here, magic in a bowl. Okay, let's check our fish. Because then I'm really going to have this for lunch. This is really going to be my lunch today. Now, oh yeah, I overcooked it. You guys, 5 minutes from frozen. I can already tell it's overcooked. Probably only needed 4 minutes. I love that. See? You just gotta try things. You gotta try things. Let's check it. Oh yeah, did you see that? Did you guys see this? Oh, I gotta put it like on a plate. Can you see? It's super flaky. It's falling apart. It's totally cooked. It's totally done. 5 minutes. You guys, no reason to eat off plan. No reason. You can make this in 5 minutes. You come home from a busy day at work. You come home from a busy, crazy day running the kids around. You just come home from, and it's crazy. Just period. I get you. I feel you. No reason. 5 minutes. Takes 5 minutes. I mean, you saw. Just have this stuff, you guys. Think through the week ahead. I tell you, when I menu plan sort of like Mexican, American, like by dish style. So we have a variety. I never set in stone Monday night will be tacos. Maybe it will be tacos, but the thing is uh-oh, I forgot I gotta run kid A to this activity and then back. That's a chili night. I'm gonna make chili in advance. We're having chili that night. You know, I think being flexible is gonna help you so much. I hope that tip helps you. Like truly being flexible and just buying stock for the week of what you plan to make, eventually making it on one of the days, but don't get stuck that it has to be Monday or Tuesday. It does not have to be Taco Tuesday. It could be Taco Wednesday. Woo, go wild. I mean, woo, that's living on the edge, guys. What, Taco Wednesday or Taco Thursday. Oh my goodness. Okay, I want to show you one more thing. I've already showed you guys this, but I love this stuff so much. I wanted to show you how quick it is. So if you're having an S meal and you want some dip to go with your fish or whatever you made, I absolutely love this Big Burger stuff for everything. I've been making tuna cakes with this, you guys, and I know you guys want the recipe. I'm sorry. I'm like still tweaking it. I haven't quite perfected it yet. And so I just want to show you guys super, super fast. You just do a cup of mayonnaise, and then I'll put the link for this stuff too for you guys. Then I just use the Primal Kitchen. I mean, come on, drive-through Sue does not get more drive-through than this. So it's some Primal Kitchen. And I know I've showed you guys how to make a burger in 5 minutes. And you can go check out that video if you want. because they have awesome stuff for that too. And then, oh, I got that one wet. I gotta get this. Oh, heaven. I got 300 straws in my drawer, you guys. Because, you know, Trim Healthy Mamas have to have 400 measuring spoons and 300 straws. Why not? For all of our sippers. So this is Big Burger sauce mix. And I'm just putting 2 tablespoons. It's like magic. It's so good, you guys. I don't know. You can use regular mayo. You can use avocado mayo. Whatever you have. If you're new to Trim Healthy Mama, please use regular mayo first. If you don't need to use avocado mayo, because avocado mayo sounded like I was saying mayo. Okay, so that's it. Look at that, you guys. I want to plate this for you so you can see I made this very quickly. I know you're gonna go back and be like, oh, that took you 20 minutes. I have no idea. Sometimes I feel like I'm on here talking to you guys, but I'm teaching you, and it takes me a while to talk and teach. It is an art. I'm working on that. Okay, so we have this, and then we need our fish, which is super flaky, so I feel like I'm gonna just drop it. Okay, I'll just, yep, going great, perfect. Ploppity plop. Look at this, you guys. I'm gonna try and make it pretty. Put a little spoon of that. Da-da! Look at this. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay, you guys, I hope this was really helpful. I hope you will make the kale salad. I could not see a single comment from you guys. I love you guys so much. I will go back and check them all out. I hope you guys said hi. Anyways, I will link the kale salad for you guys. Go make it. Let me know what you think in the comments if you like it. And don't forget, if you are watching this on replay, if you could just put #Kale for me. It's a free way to help your sister out. And don't forget, if you're watching from YouTube, to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. And come on over to Simply Cooking with Coach Sarah, where we cook something every week. And you guys, I'm going to come back tomorrow and talk to you guys about the Sip the Rainbow Challenge coming up on the 20th. So stay tuned for that. All right, love you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.